Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 ways that you can start to earn money online, all from the comfort of your home. So let's get into it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 ways that you can start to earn money online. And if you're interested in learning other methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so if you're watching this video, then chances are you're looking to make more money online and maybe one day quit your regular 9-to-5 job. And I get it. Most people are unhappy with the jobs that they're working at. I used to be one of them. I remember I would just go to my job just to collect a paycheck. I would just trade my time just to get paid. And I was miserable at the job I used to work at. And if you're in the same boat, then I'm going to be sharing these 3 methods, and hopefully you can take action and start to earn money online with them. So the first method that I want to talk about is known as Amazon FBA. So what FBA stands for is Fulfillment by Amazon. Now this is also referred to as private label. And if you don't know what private label is, it's basically where you take a product and then you slap your logo or your brand onto it and you call it your own. Now this is a great way to start earning money online because you're using the most popular shopping website that there is right now, which is Amazon. So the way that you would get started with this is, first you have to find a product that's in demand on Amazon and it's also profitable. So let's say this is your product right here. Put P for product, and this is you. This little stick figure thingy right here. You know, happy face right there. That's you, and you need to find a product that's profitable on Amazon. Now, when it comes to finding a product that's in demand and also profitable, you're gonna have to do some research. And a good research tool that there is right now, I think the most common one is called Jungle Scout. And you can check out other videos where people talk about Jungle Scout to see what it's all about. Okay, so once you find your product that's gonna be profitable and that's also in demand, you have to find a supplier for your product. Now most people who use Amazon FBA, they get their products from online wholesale Chinese websites. Maybe they usually use like Alibaba, AliExpress, or DHgate. So let's say this is your supplier right here. You're going to be supplying the product. So what you're going to want to do is contact that supplier and make sure that they can deliver that product. Maybe you want to get a sample delivered to you to ensure the quality of the product. Then when you get a sample product and you want to buy that product in wholesale, you're not going to get that product delivered to you, but rather you're going to have it delivered to the Amazon warehouse. So I'll put A for Amazon right there. So this is where Amazon is going to store your product, and they're going to fulfill, pack, and ship out your product whenever a customer buys your product off of Amazon. So as you can see, the benefit with using this method is that you don't have to worry about inventory sitting in your garage. You don't have to worry about shipping anything out. Amazon fulfills the whole process for you. They even handle the returns. Now, on the downside of using this method, you could invest a lot of money just to get started, depending on the product that you're selling. And Amazon does charge a fee for storing your product and also handling the fulfillment process. So that's something to keep in mind if you want to get started using this method. Now, moving on to the second one. This is it's going to be drop shipping. And if you don't know what drop shipping is, it's where you post an item for sale, knowing that you can buy that same item for a cheaper price from another website. So let's say, for example, you post a power drill on eBay for $100, and you know you can get that same power drill from Walmart for $80. So if somebody buys that listing off of eBay from you for $100, all you do is go to Walmart, you order that power drill, and instead of having it shipped to you, you have it shipped to the customer, and you made $20 just like that. You don't have to worry about shipping anything out. Now, there's some factors to consider when using drop shipping, like making sure that the products that you're posting for sale are always going to be in stock. Because if somebody buys a product off of you and it's not available for you to buy it, then that's not good. And if you're looking where to find products that you can use to drop ship, most people use Amazon, they use Walmart, and they use Home Depot. So that's something to consider when getting started with drop shipping. Now the third method to making money online is my favorite, and this is affiliate marketing. Now this is a great way to get started with making money online because you don't have to have your own product to sell in order to start making money. And if you're unfamiliar with affiliate marketing, it's just when you promote somebody else's product online through a specific link that's coded to you, and whenever somebody clicks on your link and they purchase that product, you make a commission. So basically, you're getting paid for referring people to buy a product. And when it comes to affiliate marketing, it's the same as the other two methods. You don't have to worry about shipping anything out. Now, there's a few things to consider when becoming successful with affiliate marketing, such as creating a sales funnel and picking an email software service. And if you're looking for a more detailed explanation about affiliate marketing, I've covered that in other videos that I've done in the past, and I'm going to leave a link somewhere up here maybe, or also in the description below. But if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I'm also going to leave a link for a free ebook download called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. So what this book does is it helps you decide what niche to promote, and also the different platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate offers on. I hope you enjoyed this video where I'm talking about all these money making methods that I'm sharing with you for free 99. And if you enjoyed it, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. And if you want my #1 recommendation when it comes to making a full-time income online, you can check out the link in the top of the description. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.